Alright guys, so welcome back to our overnight pro marketer series. So now I'm going to head over to the next video, which is how you can make payments online easily. Because now I said earlier on, you're going to be paying for your hosting account, you're paying for your domain, and you also need to be paying for your autoresponder service that you want to use, to collect mails and to email marketing business. So now the very first thing is we need a means to make payments online, to pay for your hosting, to pay for your domain, to pay for your autoresponder, to pay for any other thing online. Now you can actually use your Naira cards on your Naira cards, but sometimes they might not work. They might get rejected on the platform, some platforms. So instead of that, we need a stable card that will always work for us across all platforms. So that card is the Barter Card. So this is the Barter Card. So we're going to be using the Barter Card. I've been using it for some times now. You can pay in Naira and you can pay in dollars. So I'm going to head over now. It's actually a website, a platform where you auto generate, a debit card. You auto generate a debit card right from your Naira account. You fund your wallet. And after funding your wallet in Naira, you can now convert any amount you need into dollars. So I'm going to show you right now how that is done. I'm going to try as much as possible to fund an account right away. So let's head over to Barter. So this is the Barter website. You can see, just open your browser, barter.flutterwave.com. So that's how you go. I think I will put that in the description so you understand that. I hope I don't forget. So barter.flutterwave.com, then /login. And the next thing, I have an account there already. You create an account, it's very easy. Just register an account and then I'll log in. So once I log in, then the next thing, you're going to see my dashboard area. Let me log into my dashboard area now. Good. So I have about 172 Naira inside here. And one thing about this is you can actually, buy airtime. I've bought airtime from here before. I've bought airtime from this platform before. So I've spent about 12,000 Naira from this platform. So now I want to fund my wallet. Let's see the cards I currently have right now. Yeah, I have a Naira card, which is this, and I have a dollar denominated card, a Naira card, and then a dollar denominated card. So to start using this service, all you need to do is to fund this Naira account first. You can fund any amount here. Then anytime you need to pay for a transaction or for a service or for a product online, you can now convert the equivalent of that dollar from Naira to dollar and then use it to fund this card. Then it is this card you use to pay for your service, So let me fund this account now. Let me fund this account. So now I'll go back home. I'll go back home now. Okay, now I'm home, so I'm just go ahead and then click on fund Barter balance. So I want to fund Barter balance. So how much do I want to fund? I want to pay for a domain service, so which is about $10, which is about $350. So anytime you want to fund your account here, always have in mind, just always use $1 to $350. $1 to $350. For Naira cards, I think they're about $360, $370 they charge. But for Barter, they charge about $350. Yes, $350 or $355. So now I want to fund the Barter card and I need about $10 to buy a domain. So the next thing, I'll just input 3.5. Let me fund 3.5. So I'm going to continue. Let's wait for it to a little bit load. So I want to fund the account right now. So I'll simply input my details. I know one. Okay. Then I'm going to remember this. Okay. Don't let me put this. So I'll just click on pay. I just hope I'm able to do this in one video. I don't want to split it up. So I want to wait for code now. Let me proceed so I can get a code, an OTP. So it's that OTP that will make me actually want to verify, just to get my approval that yes, okay, I'm actually the owner of the account and I'm actually permitting the transaction. So that's it. So let's just wait for the card, for the page to load up, so I can get my OTP and then supply. So I'll simply choose for text. I want to get an OTP via text, and then I'll click on continue. So it's processing. I'm actually funding from a UBA card. You can use any card and fund from any card. I think it works for any card. You can fund from any card. So let's see. Okay, I've gotten my OTP. Let me input the code 185116. So I'm just simply click on submit. I hope it just goes, because UBA has been having problem in online transaction lately. So let's see, it's processing. Don't forget, I'm trying to fund my Barter wallet so I can use it to make payments online. So it's one of the best ways to make payments across any website. Wow, so thanks for your payment, it's successful. So my Barter balance funded successfully. You can see it's instant. I've been credited 3,672. So now I have a balance of 36 now. So I'm going to convert this to dollar denominated. I need about $10. So I'm going to fund this. You see now I have my Naira 36, and then I want to fund my dollar card. It's three. How much? I want to fund how much? $10. Now the thing is, you can use the card and then you delete it, or you cancel it immediately. You can fund the card, and then after using the card, you can just delete it. You may make it just delete it. Maybe for instance, now as I'm doing this video, some of you have known the details already and you have seen the CAV, so you can actually use it. But once I'm done now, I will just delete the card, and then I'll create a new card and fund. So it's very simple. You don't need to keep a card for so long. You can always terminate a card. So you can see this is the same way I used to pay for my GetResponse account. I paid for 2 years. For 2 months. 2 months. I just paid for one. So it's a very good thing. So now let me fund this account. Now I want to fund this card. Okay, fund this card. I'll come here and then fund this card. I want to fund how much? I want to fund $10. Yes, $10. So I'll just go ahead and then click on continue. $10 should be about 3.5. Let's see how much it's going to. Customer does not have sufficient funds in their Barter balance. Wow, that should be 3.6. Let me fund $9 then. Continue. Okay, so I've funded $9. So I've been able to fund $9. So I have 9.8. So you can see I have $9.8 right here, and I have 320 left in 329 left in my account. So that's how it is. Very, very easy. Now I can use this card to pay for any service online, to buy products online, to do anything online, and then that's worth 9.80. Anything worth 9.80. This is the card number I'll use. This is the expiry date, and then this is my CVV, the code at the back of your the 3-digit code at the back of your ATM card. So this is what it is. It is very simple to use, so I can always use this card. And once I'm done, if I like, I can just terminate the card, which I will definitely do because you already can see the details. So I'll permanently delete this card and then create a new card anytime I need it again. So it's very simple. That's all you need to know on the best card that you can use across any platform online. Barter Card is the best card you can use to make payments online. You can't use it to receive funds. You can't use it to receive payments online. Only for payments online. You can only use it to pay for a service, or you can use it to buy products online. So Barter is the best something you can use, and you can always check out your transaction. You can always check out your transaction history, and then, like I said earlier on, you can use it to buy airtime. So you can see I just funded the card of 3.5, and then I converted $9. That's about 3.3. You can actually calculate how much. Okay, let me just calculate. That's 3.352. Let's see. So we know how much they're actually charging per dollar. 3.352 divided by 9. Divided by $9. So we have, wow, it's too high. 372. That's too high. 372. That's too high. That's too high. But it's actually a good platform because you can see everything went so easy, very easy, very, very easy for us. So let's check. You can see you can also use it to buy I don't know what I wanted to see. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. So if I want to purchase airtime with this my balance, it's very simple. I can just input 100 naira, and then let me put my mobile number, and then continue. I'll simply click on continue. Enter pin. I can't remember my pin. Let me just use this. Let me see if it will go. That's my major pin I do almost across my transactions. So let's see if it's going to go. I can't remember my pin, chat. So that's okay. It has gone. Airtime purchase successful. Oh wow! I've seen it in my mobile phone. I've seen it. I've been credited $100. So that's how it works. So that's it about it. That's how it works, guys. So if you are the first set of people just watching this video, I still have 300 here. So I want to see the first 3 persons who have actually gotten to this point. So once you are, just comment below, comment under this video your mobile number. So I'm going to credit you $100. The next person $100, and the top person, sorry, not $100, 100 naira. So that's 3 people can claim this 100 naira, 300 naira remaining inside this account. So that's airtime to your mobile number. Please specify if it is MTN, Glo, Airtel, or Etisalat. So I'm going to just send the money, $100. I'm sorry, 100 naira airtime to you. So this is the best, service you can use for your online transactions, online payments, because like I said, you will need to pay for some services, to buy your hosting accounts, to buy your domain, and then to pay for autoresponder service and so many other things you need to pay for. So go ahead, register an account, register your own account on this platform, barter.flutterwave.com. I'll drop a link below. There's no referral or commission earnings here, so I'll drop the link below, and then you can go right from there and register your accounts. So it's something that you can do. It's very easy, and their support is actually very okay. They have good support that you can always rely on at all times. So this is how you can a platform you can use to make your payments online. You can use Barter. Even if you want to buy a product from the Warrior Plus, from JVZoo, from ClickBank, any platform, this is a card that you can actually use. They accept it almost across every platform. Even Airweb accepts it, GetResponse accepts it. Think of any website, Barter is the way to go. So I hope you understand this. This is, I think, it's very clear, very straightforward, and you shouldn't get stuck anywhere. So this is the card we'll be using. So if you don't have a hosting account, you will need this card to do that. If you don't have a domain, you will need this card to purchase your services. And if you don't want to use this card, your Naira card will actually work for those platforms too. So you can also use your Naira card. But Barter, why I'm actually recommending Barter is because you can use it almost anywhere on the internet. So that's all about Barter. So that's all for now. Thank you, and then I'm going to see you in the other section of the video as we move on.